we will create a beautiful announcement bar with gradients, and that opens your membership portal. Or something like this that simply opens a post of yours. It's a follow along tutorial, so let's get started. Alright, so we do it step by step. First hit over to your settings and go to the announcement bar, and there you already have it. You can write something and enable it to whomever you want to see this. So maybe members shouldn't see it because it's in order to attract new members, so they don't need to see it, so you can disable that. Or if you have the member settings disabled, you will only see one toggle. And you can also switch between dark mode, a lighter one, or your accent color, which in my case happens to be as well black. You can save that and see it in the preview, so that's what it would look like on the home page or in a post. Save it and then confirm that it's working perfectly. So I assembled you some examples in a short tutorial. I'll also link that below the video. So let's go through the possibilities we have here. As you see, it might be a good idea to add some emojis. They are always some fun. Or even better, a link. If you want to link to a story you recently published, for example, in that case, we can just add some article we have, in my case, with the URL /sub, save it, and in order to see that it works, just click it and it redirects you to the article that you pasted as a link. Now, next thing is a great example to engage people to sign up to your newsletter. That works basically the same. Maybe we change the text a little bit so that people know that it's about a newsletter. And then instead of adding some URL of your article, for example, you can simply add the /portal/signup. And that will magically open your membership pop-up. So I reload it, and now if I click it, I can sign up as a new member to your newsletter or become a member of your membership business. So that is a great way to highlight and drive engagement and click-through rate for your membership. And then last thing I want to show you is to add custom styles. So you have only 3 options here, but with some tricks that I'll show you in a second, you can add those and edit those to nice gradient color, for example. So let's check first of all a normal background, a different background. You can simply copy the code here. Then you head over to the settings again, to the code injection, and add it as a side footer. Save it. And on reload, you'll see that the color changed. And I can change the color to whatever I want. So for example, we can do it blue. And now we have a blue background. I also gave you the option to edit the text color. Looks a bit ugly, so we're gonna change that quickly. By the way, all the colors that are available are here, or you can also use a whatever you want hexadecimal code for the colors. So for example, crimson would also work as a color. No, it's red, crimson, red. Always remember to save, of course. How about styling the link? As you see, the link is still in the old color. Maybe you want to change that as well. In order to do so, I have another code sample. The really important part is this one here, but I'm gonna copy it all, paste it, and of course, save the newly added code. Oh, well, it isn't working. Let's check why is that. So we go to the announcement bar again. Maybe if we change the color. Yeah. Okay, so seemingly everything but the light template works for the code snippet. So maybe just change it to the dark to dark coloring, hit save, and on reload, you see now it works. And last but not least, I want to show you a gradient style. Might be a bit boring if all the announcement bar is in the same color, so we can change that to a linear gradient, for example, and just use the code here. I'll save quickly, and on reload we see that we have some gradient coloring. I hope I help you with this. Go ahead and add custom designs. You can add shadows, whatever CSS allows you basically. With that, you have your new great, gorgeous announcement bar.